Now let's go over the circle, polygon, and arc tools. Go ahead and click on circle, and let's go ahead and click a center point for our circle. Here I've clicked and I could drag it out, or I can type in a radius. I'm just going to drag it a little bit and click. And now it will detect the center of that, and I could click again and I could offset another segment, either inside or outside. And now I can extrude this. And as you can see, it's a very segmented arch. Now I want it to be very smooth, so I can change the quantity of sides in this segmented circle. So let's type in 60, enter, and let's draw a circle again. There we can see this time it's a lot more smooth. And there I'm just matching the height here and clicking that. Now let's go to the polygon tool. When I click this, by default I believe it's set to 6 or 7, and let's go ahead and click once, and we can see that it's creating a polygon with 7 sides. Click on that. Now I'm going to click again, now this time I want to change the amount of sides. Let's go to 9. Enter, and there you can see we've changed the amount of sides of this polygon. Now let's go to our 2-point arc command. Again, when we enter into this button, we see that there are sides already assigned to it, which, depending on how smooth we want our model to be and look, we can change the amount of sides that has to make our arc smoother. So let's go ahead and change this factor to, let's go to 60 again. And I'm going to click on these sides again. As you can see, the difference in smoothness there. Alright, let's go ahead and get rid of that.